All right, let's take this few minutes to talk about fire control and temperature control. You'll see up top on the old stack, that's an indication you want to keep your eye on there. See what color your smoke is. You don't want any dark blue or super thick white smoke. Just that nice puff of light smoke just rolling, and this is a good hot fire. Let's take a look. Got 3 gauges. We're going 450 on bottom, just about 4 on that one, and just a touch over 4 on that one. So we're good on that. Let's take a look at the fire. That is a real fire right there. I can't stand close to it, but you can see I just rolled a new log in on top and it immediately lit. I'm running wide open throttle. I've got, if I wanted more heat, I'd have to add more fire because I've got the bottom wide open and I've got the damper dead on vertical, straight up and down, which is wide open throttle. This is all ahead flank. So I'm trying to purposely run this thing up into the 450 range, 425, 450. We're not sitting out here low and slow on this chicken. We're cooking this stuff. So can we look at it? No. If you're looking, you ain't cooking. So we'll check back with it here in just a few minutes. I'll open it up. It won't take long. It'll be ready for butter. My wife's going to go get that brand new digital thermometer. I can't wait to get it. So as soon as she gets back, I'll hook it up so we can see the temperature of the chicken from outside the smoker. Over and out for now.